Hi there, my name is Cronenwett. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Spektrum DX8E transmitter only box. So I also ordered the AR620 sport receiver. So let's see what they included in the box here. Okay, so it looks like we got the manual, four AA batteries, and then of course the transmitter. And then it also has an Allen key. I'm not sure what that's used for just yet. So I am replacing my my other 8-channel transmitter that's I've been using now for about 5-6 years, and they have stopped selling receivers for the Tactic brand 8-channel. So it's time to upgrade. So just like the box says, it is the transmitter only. However, they do give you 4 AA batteries. I'll figure out what that Allen key is for here in a minute. And of course this, since I don't have a bunch of Spektrum receivers, I picked up the AR620 mostly because the wires come off the end instead of coming straight up. And I still haven't figured out what the Allen key's for, but I'll just put it aside. And then the manual comes in a variety of languages, so I'm not sure what they all are, but anyways, there's, I'll read that tonight. Get the batteries in. Okay. So everything seems to be working good. There is a variety of, there's a 3-position switch here, a short one, tall one, another short one. There's a proportional dial here. And then another 3-position, 3-position, 2-position, 2-position. And on the back of it, it's got the mode 2 and 4 and 1 and 3. I need to learn more about that. So there we go. Okay, so this Allen key, at first, you know, I was wrong thinking that it was for this, but it does fit into the sticks here. So if you loosen that, you can then adjust the length of the stick. Once I read the manual, it'll probably say just that. So anyways, that's what. So hang on to the Allen key. But yeah, it's meant to adjust the length of the sticks. Talk to you later. Hope this helps. Bye.